Hello there, adventurers. Kevin here from Rolling Love Shack Adventures, and today I'm just getting out enjoying this warm winter day to get a few things done outside. Cleaned up my my bee frames that were scattered all over behind the garage from the most recent windstorm, and then I got into the hive and fed it. As you can see, this method is called the mountain camp method, where you just put a new piece of newspaper in the hive and add some granulated sugar. The bees will eat the sugar up and then shred up the newspaper and clean it out of the hive. I had done this once before earlier in the season, the winter season, and as you could see when I opened up the hive, there wasn't a trace of newspaper left. So they do a really good job of cleaning up the hive. It has been an unseasonably, as it has been the last several years, unseasonably warm winter, and they have gone through their stores. There's a super I left on top of the hive at the beginning of winter to give them some honey, and it was full of honey, and it feels pretty light. So I'm sure they've gone through most of their stores, and they're out and about today. As you can see, they're on the pollen feeder getting some pollen. They're out and about looking for food, going to the bathroom, doing their thing, because it's in the low 50s today, and as soon as it hits about 50, they're out and about. So I just wanted to do a brief video, just put a brief video of me out today cleaning up, feeding the chickens, and feeding the bees. So I had to feed the animals today, and it's a beautiful day outside. Don't know what else I'll get into. Got some stuff to do in the house, but just wanted to bring you along and show you what I got into. I don't know if you can see, but I got a little hitchhiker with me.